This video will inform you about using the real-time stamina feature in the new generation of edge cycling computers. The necessary steps and preparations to see real-time stamina tracking will be covered. It will also explain how to read your stamina data screen. The stamina data can display the remaining power for maintaining good performance. If your energy is depleted, it indicates you are approaching or reaching the threshold of your physical capacity. This will significantly reduce your performance. Through stamina tracking, you can predict what goals you can achieve at the current intensity with the remaining energy, allowing you to break through limits with more confidence. Before using stamina tracking feature, please ensure your device has measured your cycling VO2 max. To measure your cycling VO2 max, first, wear a heart rate sensor, install a power meter, and pair them with your device. For the most accurate estimation, please complete the user profile and set your maximum heart rate. Then engage in stable, high-intensity cycling for at least 20 minutes. The stamina tracking is set to be on by default. If you have paired the heart rate and power meters, and have measured your cycling VO2 max, but can't see the stamina data screen, or want to customize the data screen, please follow the steps below. Open the main menu. Select Activity Profiles. Choose a cycling profile. Select Data Screens. Select Stamina. If you don't see the Stamina data screen, please select Add New. After adding, click on the Stamina data screen. Make sure that Show Screen is enabled. Select Show Current Effort. Here, you can choose to display either Show Distance or Show Time as the main data field. Go back to the previous page. Select Layout and Data Fields. Click the up or down arrow to select the configuration you need. Choose the right arrow symbol. Change the data fields according to your needs. Confirm and select the check mark. Now you can start writing. Swipe left or right to view the stamina data screen. Here is the primary stamina data field. You can view the estimated time or distance remaining until you will reach exhaustion at your current effort level. Here is the potential stamina estimation. Think of potential stamina as the total capacity of your fuel tank. It will decrease quickly if you are riding at a high effort level. Reducing your effort or resting results in a slower decline of your potential stamina. Here is the current stamina estimation. You can know how much stamina you have left at the current output level. For best results, pair with a heart rate monitor and power meter, and vary the intensity levels and duration. Keep recording your riding activities for 2 to 3 weeks. That's it. Thank you for watching.